GoPro mounts on your helmet. So many different ways to put it. Not happy how I've had it in the past. Going to try a few new things. And let's see how that works out. G'day everyone, welcome back to Was It Harsh 888. What I'm going to do today is play around with some mounts on the helmet with the GoPro. Used to have it sitting on the top, not real happy with that. And then I made some bracketry up and put it on the side, which comes around the front, which is okay, but it wriggles. Anyway, I'll show you what I've got. So I've got the mount on the top there, which is okay. That's how I originally had it. And the old GoPro sitting up in the air, flapping away. Not overly happy with that, so we've managed to get the mount on the side of the camera. I'm hoping you can pick that up. If not, we'll try it on the other camera. Just mount on the side, and then with a series of arms around the front. But this thing's flopping around like a rag dick when you're riding along, and it's not real good. So I've got a bit of blue tack, don't know if you can see that, a bit of blue tack stuck on there to try and stop it from flopping around, but not too successful. So what I'm going to do is, I've seen it where you get you get a mount like so, peel the sticky off, get some of this goop, knead it together, make a mould and then put it on the side. But you've got to get it in the right spot. A lot of guys I've seen, they're talking about point of view, and they've got the camera offset. The camera's in the middle, but the lens is offset. So my aim is to get the lens right in the middle of the helmet, which means a bit of metal messing around and fettling and so forth. So wish me luck. We'll have a bit of a play with that. I'll get rid of this mounting system that's on there now. We'll take that off and we'll see where we end up. Stick around, see how we go. Now this won't be able to be done in one day, because you've got to let this stuff cure and harden. And so I'll start it off today, see how it pans out, and then maybe tomorrow we'll have a go mount it on the helmet. So the thing is to get that. So there's your sticky tape, double-sided tape taken off. I will have to roughen that up a little bit, because it's a little bit shiny, so I'll rough that up with a bit of sandpaper. But the thing is to work out where I'm going to put it and how it's going to sit, so bear with me. Alright, so the next step we've got masking tape on the front. That I've marked with a Sharpie where I want my bracket to go to. So what I'm going to do now is complete waste of time filming this, but anyway. Alright, so what we're going to do now is roughen this up a little bit. It's got a round file. And we'll get some sandpaper. Like so. And we'll give it a bit of a sand. Just get rid of that shine. There we go. No more shine. Next we get this little fella. We'll cut some off. This does stink from memory. So I can go into there. Stanley knife. Snap off blade, that'll do. Righto. Trick is to work out how much you want. Good trick. Other trick is how to get into it. There we go. Easier said than done. Now it's got these little ends on there. You can see the different colours. So when you cut it off, you knead it all up, put it on. It should be a uniform colour. I reckon about there. Here comes the fun part. You can see it's all starting to mix in now, different colours. One Powerball. No, it's not that bad. Right, because I'm going offset, I've got to build it more on one side than the other, so I'm hoping this is going to work out okay. I'll end up putting a tether on there as well, so I'm just paranoid that I'm going to lose the camera. Righto, that's all pretty much the same colour now. So we'll get that on our mount. Spread it out. And I won't be able to show you because I haven't got enough hands, but I'll put this on here. I'll squeeze it in, cut the excess off before it dries. Right, here we're looking. That goes on there. It's going to be right in the middle, spot on ski. Righto, don't know if you can see or not, but it's not quite centre, it's just off centre. So that when the camera goes on, it will be spot on. So now all I've got to do is wait for that to harden. Now that's starting to get warm, so that's that means it's getting hard on there. Righto, there, it's a better look. As you can see, there's the centre of the helmet. Mount sort of off to the left a bit, so that when the camera sits in the mount, the lens is going to be sort of more central. A bit hard to do in here because it's not in the mount, but fingers crossed it's going to work out. Look, fingers crossed it's going to work. So it's a bit hard to see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Righto, and that'll be it for tonight. We'll let it sit overnight and we'll come out tomorrow and see how we go. Rotary-o. Okay, it's been about 24 hours since the epoxy putty's been put on there and set, so it should be nice and hard now. I'll just have a bit of a look and I'll show you what's transpired. Righto, there we go. You can see the putty. I just got a bit of cleaning up around there. It's gone off nice and hard. It's rock hard, which is good. I should be able to sand that nice and flat and flush. So there we go. Looking at as I said, it's offset because it'll bring the lens right over in the middle. So now I'll endeavour to take it off and see where we're at. Catch you soon. Righto. Now we'll try and get this off. Oh, okay, that was easy. I was prepared for a bit of a struggle, but they come off good. Well, that's come out not too bad. That's got a nice little surface there. Which is got a little bit of imperfection there, but that's all right. Just there, we can sort that out. So what I'll do now is I'll clean these edges up and see what we come up with. Stick around. Not looking too bad. You can see a sticker on one side and the other. That's because it's offset. So you can see on there it's thicker on this side than what it is on here. That's because it's offset on the helmet, so it's got to allow for the curvature around the side. Alright, pretty happy about that. Let's clean up a bit of this mess and we'll get back into it. I'll just do a quick test fit on here. And that fits perfectly right there. That's beautiful. Like, it actually can't go anywhere else but there because it's moulded to that spot. It can't go around there because it just doesn't fit. So yeah, no, that's pretty good. And you can see it's thicker there than what it is there, if you can see that. Cool. Alright. What I'll do is I'm not going to spray paint it. I haven't got any black spray paint, but I have got a black Sharpie. If it doesn't look pretty, doesn't matter, neither do I. What do you reckon? Yeah, I think that'll do. Looks like a black mount. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is quickly put the camera in the mount so I know exactly where the position. As I said before, even though I can't go anywhere else, I just want to make sure. I don't forget which mount we put in. Oh, there we go. There we go! Righto. We've had a bit of a stop in play. Blood moon tonight with the lunar eclipse. So I had to go out and have a look at that. Very exciting. Righto, after a lot of faffing around and whatever, I had a problem with the frame mount hitting on the J-clamp. So I've had to fiddle with it. I tried filing out a little bit in the back, as you can see there. Probably not the best idea to do, but that was enough. So I managed to get two of these small reverse angle extensions together, and now when I put that on the helmet's right spot, I can actually get a decent angle there with the camera. So I'll disconnect all this, I'll stick it on the helmet, and see how it goes. Right, so we've got two sides, we've got a yellow and a red. Your standard mount's always got the red on the outside, so that's what we'll do with this one. I don't know if that's right or not, but we'll see. Righto, it's on there as good as it's going to get. Hopefully it's good enough. Now I'll stick this on the helmet. Okay, clamp on there, clamp on there. Hopefully, job done. Alright, that's it for now. We'll see how it goes. Take that off tomorrow, and hopefully it's going to be good enough. Catch you next time. Okay, here we go, day 3. What we're going to do is just check the mount on the chin piece of the helmet. It's had the clamp on overnight, so it's another 24 hours. This thing should be well and truly stuck, so we'll have a bit of a look at that. Like so, like so. Close it in. Eyes are up. Not failing anything, plenty of room there, can still operate the vent. So look, I'm happy as a proverbial pig in shit. I'll have a bit of play around and just to make sure it's all secure, and it's going to sit there, but other than that I'm pretty happy. So might call this one a bit of a success. Hopefully I can get out on the bike on the weekend and get some footage and see how it turns out, but pretty happy. Anyway, catch you soon. I might put some footage up, if not. Anyway, look, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking with me through this tedious task. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks.